Welcome back to the channel, guys and girls. Today we're going to be doing a quick review on Ridgid's newest subcompact brushless hammer drill. So today we're going to kind of take stuff out of the box, show you what you get with it, and then we'll just kind of go through a quick review and move from there. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so let's get started here. I want to open this box up here, see what comes with this. Okay, little nice subcompact, fits really nice in your hand. Man, this thing's, look how small that is. And this is your hammer drill. It's really nice, fits nice in your hand. Of course, it comes with instructions. And let's see what else. Okay, so it also comes with a belt clip. I haven't got it installed here, but you can see that's what actually comes with the box. Now, this particular tool does not come with a battery. It is, you can use any of Ridgid's 18-volt batteries. They're all compatible with this one. So just to give you a quick update, I did go ahead and put the belt clip on, but it also comes with a bit clip and a bit, so you can actually hold your bit right there, so everything's on board when you do. It does have an LED light, so you can see that it lights up there. It helps light up the work surface. Now, these subcompacts, they're about 30% lighter than the average hammer drill, and they do that because, you know, you can, it's like I said, if you're using it a lot, it's lighter. It lasts longer. This is a brushless unit, so you got about 30 or 40% more actual work time, so you spend more time getting the work done and less time charging your batteries. It does come with the adjustable clutch here, and it will accommodate up to a 1/2-inch bit. Okay, so I wanted to show you some up-close shots of the features. Now, here's the belt clip. And this belt clip can either be this side or the other side where the bit holder is. So you can put the belt holder on this side and this clip on this side if you want. Just depends on whether you're right or left-handed. Also wanted to show you the clutch. Now the clutch is easily adjusted right here by your hands. It goes from 1 to 22. Okay. And these settings, all they are is how much torque and you want to use these when you're actually driving screws and stuff. So if you just want to use it as a regular drill, you want to make sure that you set it on the drill bit setting. And then if you're going to use it as a hammer drill, you want to put it on the hammer setting. This model, like I said, does have an LED light, and you can see where the LED light is. This has a 4Ah battery on it. I know if you buy the combo kit, it comes with a 2Ah battery, and they say with the 2Ah battery, it's about 3 pounds. I don't know that this is that much different. So with a 4Ah battery on it and the drill all together is probably somewhere less than 4 pounds to hold. It's got a nice rubber grip like I've showed. Now, the other setting that I wanted to show you here is it has a speed setting. It's currently set on 1, and 1 will give you a slow speed and a lower torque, and then you can go to 2, which gives you a higher speed and a higher torque. And so that setting's nice depending on what you're using it for. What we're going to do now is I want to go outside, and I want to show you, I'm going to put a masonry bit in it, and I'm going to show you how it performs using that. Okay, so I was going to demo this real quick, just a regular drill setting, and just so you can see how it operates. This thing has plenty of power. You can see that it's not binding, doesn't slow down. Good to go. Okay, so now I want to go outside, and I'm going to put a masonry bit in it and show you how it performs there. Okay, so here we go. I've got a cinder block here. I got a masonry bit, and I do have it set on the hammer setting. Let's see how it does. Now you can see that's a pretty thick piece of brick there that I just went through. Let's do another one. So I would say that this works pretty good. Now this is only a small masonry bit, but it worked well. It didn't bind. I think it'd probably be fine for the average person. I'm not sure that this would be enough if you were having to make, you know, 30 or 40 attempts to drill in holes through really thick material. You know, of course this is like a 1-inch cinder block, so I thought it did fairly well. So guys and girls, I would say that if you found this video helpful, don't forget to share with your friends and family. Make sure you subscribe. Also, in the comment section below, I'd like for you to put a comment in there whether you think that this is something that a contractor might use, or that only the normal, you know, at-home DIYer would do. Anyway, again, until next time, thanks and stay safe.